right, so I want to show you this new feature that I found when I logged into Google Chrome last week on Friday. It's been something that I've been kind of looking for, and a lot of people and I've talked about. So Google now has the ability to create tab groups and save those tab groups. In the past, you couldn't save them, so as soon as you closed out of your tab, it was gone. So right now, they've added this new feature. So for example, I have one set of tabs I call my daily one. These are things that I use every day. So like my Infinite Campus, my email, all those things. This stays open on my screen all day. Then I usually have a set of tabs. So in the past, I would have these Newline bookmarks in a folder. I would open them up. I'd pin them all down so that I didn't accidentally close them throughout the day. And by the time we do that on multiple windows, it just kind of got to be tedious and annoying. So instead of having to do all this now every morning, right? All I have to do is I can click on this Newline bookmarks and it opens them all out at one time. And then I can click the little blue group thing right here and it'll actually close them up and fold them up. So let me show you how to do that. It's a really easy way to kind of keep everything organized and kind of keep yourself from having a whole bunch of things that are going on at the same time. So let's go ahead and get rid of all this stuff and I'll show you how I did that. So in order to do that, what I did is I'm going to open all 6 of my Newline panel tabs. Just to kind of show you how I did it. Let me get rid of these little guys over here. All right, and what I did is I right-clicked on it and I picked this where it says Add Tab to Group, and you can either add it to a new group or an existing group. So I'm going to click New Group, and I'm just going to call this Test Run because I don't really need to keep this one. All right, Test Run. I love all things color coding, so I can color code it. But the most important thing is that you check this little Save Group checkbox. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save Group. And then because I already have my group opened up, I'm going to start moving things into that group. And you can tell it's part of that group because you see how it's got the yellow outline on it. So I'm going to start moving all those things into that group. And now, every time I click on this test run group, it's going to open up this set of tabs. I can also fold them up so that they sit over here out of the way so they don't stay in the way. Really handy, really helpful, big time saver. The other thing I really like is that, let's say I want to open my Newline bookmarks, I can click on it and open that group into a whole new window. So I don't have to open them individually. I can open each window. So what I normally do in the morning is I'll open up my Newline bookmarks and drag those over to my panel. I'll open up my daily one, which is already somewhere hiding back here. I'll open up daily 2, which has my eHall Pass and my GoGuardian. And you can kind of see how these are kind of have the outline around them. Those 3 are already open. This Puzzles and Games is not open right now, and I actually don't need it, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. But you can see my Test Run one is open. So you can see each of the ones that's open based on the outline on it. So just a really handy way to keep your tabs organized and get your morning started a little bit faster. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.